Well, now that was some driveway access.
Welcome to Scalegate in, just above Helton. We are in the Lake District National Park, and if you just pan that camera around a little bit, we are surrounded by the Pennines, mountains in every direction. We're actually sat just over that hill is Ullswater, so we are very much in the heart of this Lake District National Park. The property behind us is absolutely magnificent. It's very large, incredibly good condition. It has loads of bedrooms, lots of bathrooms, lots of reception space, lots of potential with two barns that have, subject to planning of course, the potential for conversion. You're sitting in an absolutely gloriously well manicured garden on your own, but only a couple of miles away you've got Askham, a beautiful village that sits within the national park and is a very popular mecca for people to go to. The walking around here is biblical, and this part of the Lake District doesn't have quite as many walkers as it does in Windermere and Keswick area, which means you can walk around in these mountains, or like myself, ride around on my mountain bike for many, many miles and have as much solitude as you want to, but still get some fantastic walking. There is so much to see here, so I am now going to take you in the front there, take you around this majestic property, and I hope you like it. So we may as well start at the beginning. We've got one big barn over here, we've got another barn over here. This one's actually had a bit of a conversion upstairs, so it's being used as a nice storage area. But could they become potential maybe for holiday lets? Could they be ancillary? Could they be annex space? Or could they just be great barns that are excellent for storage? You walk up to this quite substantial driveway and there are little bits of property everywhere. I mean, once you see this, you'll realise it's absolutely substantial. And we're going to start at the front of the property there, go through and start off by showing you the kitchen. Come on in. So we'll come through here first. Lovely sandstone everywhere, real attention to detail. And then you come into this absolutely huge eat-in kitchen diner, complete with a very large Aga, really befitting this style of property. One thing to mention, which I didn't start with outside, is the current owners have lovingly refurbished this entire building. So there you are wanting for nothing. And there's a lot of it to see. So sandstone all the way through the ground floor, and then we come into a lovely, very nice formal dining room. But I really need you to look at this fireplace. This is obviously a building from 1765, but this, in my mind, feels even older, and it's a really lovely that that's been retained as a feature. Coming through into here, you've got these fantastic solid oak doors, even studded. I mean, things that you wouldn't do in a house is spend an extortionate amount per door, but this house needed that. It's the right thing to do, and it's been done very well. Beautiful feature fireplaces, but this lovely snug area, perfect on a winter's day to be able to sit in here and admire that view outside. Coming into the formal sitting room, we've got lots of space in here, even things like window shutters being installed, which give a really nice period feel. The windows are double glazed, and actually come and have a look at this. If you look out of here, whilst you're sitting in here and enjoying a nice relaxing cup of coffee and looking out at views over that vista, it's a hard one to beat, it really is. To the rear of the property, you've got quite a lot of garden space, but I'm going to take you and show you that shortly, but let's go upstairs and have a look at some of the bedrooms. So now we're going to go upstairs, but they're not just any stairs. These are sandstone steps. You can even see the little foot treads which have been put in for 200 odd years of people walking up and down them. Nice bit of storage in here, lovely feature window, and then we come upstairs to this great open space. Now, I'm not going to interfere with this view, but look from this end down. You've got all the trusses that are to the top of the property, all the way down. It's almost as long as a bowling alley. It's absolutely beautiful. So we've got 5 bedrooms to look at. Actually, we've got 5 bedrooms, and one of those is included in a whole suite. But if we look in here, The first very, very large double bedroom. These big oak fitted doors, window shutters, elevated right to the top. Really a very, very grand space. I love this. Let's go and have a look at another bedroom. And then come in and have a peek a little further, because this doesn't disappoint. Look at these crook beams at the top. I mean, absolutely beautiful. And another very significant size double bedroom. Let's go and have a look, because there's a family bathroom up there and a storage cupboard, which are definitely worthwhile having a look at. Okay, so we've got a nice, lovely family bathroom. The nice thing in this house, everything is so neutral in taste. There's nothing in here that you can like, and I can promise you, I've been here a couple of times now. This place is immaculate. This is ready for you to move into, and nothing needs changing. Just behind this door, we've got a shower, but I'm going to just pop by here because, and I'm not going to open this up and show you, but this is a massive linen cupboard. And when you've got this much space and this much bedroom space, having a good linen cupboard is very important. But let's take you down and show you another bedroom. So let's have a peek in this bedroom. So we've got a lovely vaulted ceiling space, which is very, very nice. It's a nice big double bedroom with quite lovely exposed beamwork, and then you've got this quite low window with some nice window shutters. And look over a little terrace courtyard to the back of the property. How lovely. Let's span back round, and why don't we go now and have a look at the master bedroom. Well, I was walking on my way to show you the next bedroom and I forgot. There's a fabulous shower space in there. As you can see, it's recently fitted, very contemporary, and really a fantastic extra on this floor. Let's enter into the master bedroom. So, a great big space, but if we pan up a little bit, all these open beams are absolutely fantastic. There's plenty of space in this room, and what a beautiful master bedroom. We've also got a great space through here, and I'm going to pop on some lights because I actually get to show you what would have been part of an original crook beam and a very, very nice size shower. Okay, so on to this master bedroom suite that we've got to the side. I promised you a master bedroom suite, and I'm about to give that to you. But first of all, it's important to mention we've got a staircase independent to be able to come to this suite. There's equally an independent staircase and front door that comes into the sitting room of the suite, which I'm giving away a little bit here. So it could be an independent annex, it could be an Airbnb, it could be anything that you want if you want it independently. But it is fully attached to the main house. So for me, it's my master bedroom suite. But I'll just show you, there's a bit of a staircase here, which does give this good independence, and then we come through into this room. So I'm going to just close the door behind us. You've got these lovely oak doors which lead through to your own sitting room. And as I said, there is a doorway that leads outside, so you do have completely independent access into this lovely little space. So we've got a great bathroom suite in here, a part of this master bedroom area. But it's absolutely fantastic. Roll top bath here, giving that, but with a nice contemporary style to it. We've got a lovely big walk-in shower here, which I'm actually going to pop around to show you a little bit better. But a lovely, lovely space. You've even got your own sauna if you wanted. Fitted wardrobes, and then to top it all off, this absolutely beautiful room with a door that leads to your own private garden. Please have a look outside at the view. So in the top end of this house, you don't just have 5 bedrooms, you have a full 1-bedroom apartment or master bedroom suite, whichever you think suits you best. So I'm going to go downstairs because there's a few more bits to see that are even more developable area if you wanted to expand on this offering. So we're now back down on the ground floor to this property. We're just next to the kitchen, and what house like this wouldn't be complete without a wonderful larder? And check this out. Sandstone shelves. It's definitely very cool in there. So the perfect place to be able to put all of your groceries and free up that cupboard space in that wonderful kitchen. So with that, this is the rear stairs that we just came down a moment ago from the master bedroom suite or the 1-bedroom apartment. And we've got A fantastic bathroom. Look at the sink in there. And we've then got some other nuts and bolts of the house which are very important. Big open hallway in here. We've got a little utility room again with an absolutely fantastic sink, and that then leads through to the back of the house. We've got lots of storage. I mean, who doesn't like lots of storage? But we've also got an unutilized extra.
Okay, so let's go and have a peek inside this barn. Now, I mentioned outside that there are two barns outside ready for conversion. Well, this is pretty much part done. We've got glazing at the front here, and obviously subject to planning, then maybe this could become another ancillary build, or maybe even something that you could consider for holiday let purposes.
And it's got a proper upstairs. You've got an absolutely huge space, which the roof has been done properly. All the timber work looks amazing. But as these guys have got it, could be a gym, it could be a home office, it could be an expansion potential to look at this as a potential for holiday let. There are lots of options with this, but that kind of completes the house. Now I'm going to take you outside and show you some of the benefits of the externals. Okay, so we've got a lot of garden space here. The views over towards the mountains are absolutely amazing. When we were inside a moment ago, this was the doorway that came from the 1-bedroom annex stroke master bedroom suite, and then shows you all of this great space. Then we're going to hop over this little area here. You come into the next section of garden, and this is like a summer meadow through here. You've got all of these beautiful plants, some very, very quirky trees, and then this is the rear view of the property. I absolutely love this house. And do you know what? I'm finishing this while we're here, and I might stand just here because these flowers look absolutely beautiful. So we are basically stood on what feels like the top of the world. We're in the Lake District National Park, a few miles away from Askham. Over the top of the fells here, we're over towards Ullswater. The lake is within a good walking distance. The house is huge, I mean absolutely huge, and has vast potential for expansion with the 2 barns and the adjoining barn that's attached to the main house. You've got 5 bedrooms, including one of those being a master bedroom suite, which you could convert into a 6th if you wanted to. Loads of reception space, a recent renovation, finished to the most amazing standard. I love this place. You will love this place. And if you want to have further information on it, please do give me a call, 01768 881111, and I'll be delighted to discuss it with you at any time. Thank you.